Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Cardano at number 1, followed by Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Tron, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Chainlink, Polygon, and then we'll end it with Litecoin at number 20. Let's get straight into it. ADA against BTC. So ADA against BTC continues its downtrend. We were under the skinny pink line and we continue to stay under the skinny pink line. This was a fake breakout, and then BAM! We got slammed back down. So yeah, ADA still looks pretty weak against BTC, but we're hoping that all of these lows will hold, and at some point close to the bottom here, we'll see some sort of a reversal, right? And this will set up a very nice squeeze as ADA breaks higher. Will we? We're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. ADA against USD. Here we are for ADA. Okay, one thing I don't like about ADA USD is we've already touched the skinny pink line. That's not good. That is not good. Usually when a bull run happens, right, we do not come back down under the skinny pink line. We just stay above it, right? But at this point of time, we're already back down. So, yo, bro, what? Why? Yeah, but anyways, already down. So in anything, I mean, in any case, we'll still expect a little bit more downside for ADA. How much lower? We're not too sure, but ADA is pretty weak at the moment. AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. AVAX is still, yeah, not really out of the skinny pink line yet, right? You can see that we actually broke out in November and we attempted to stay above it, but now it feels to me like we're kind of coming down. So yeah, we failed to stay above it. Would be great though if we had some sort of a consolidation and we continue higher for AVAX, but yeah, what's happening? I mean, what's happening? Yeah, again, there's this potential that AVAX BTC could be heading towards the support, and we could be breaking the support as AVAX heads lower. There's a high possibility of that happening, right? AVAX against USD. Here we are for AVAX USD. Okay, AVAX USD is a little bit special because it's above the skinny pink line. At the same time, I'm not too sure if this is already the end. Of course, we could just slowly crawl our way out, but we're still above the skinny pink line. We'll remain with a bullish bias, but at the same time, I already see a potential left shoulder, head. We could be getting a right shoulder over here. It could be a head and shoulders, and we could be heading lower. Again, I can't say for sure. At this point of time, I just don't see it yet, but the BTC pair is signifying weakness, especially against BTC. So if anything, I mean, if your money was in BTC all along, you would have done so much better, but yeah, we're above the skinny pink line, and we're hopeful that there should be some sort of a resolve back towards the upside. But this is a little bit uncomfortable for me, right? So again, we'll see how it goes for AVAX. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is also above the skinny pink line, and Shiba Inu had a breakout of the skinny pink line, right? There was an inverse head and shoulders kind of a chart pattern, and then bam, we're out. And then yeah, right now we are correcting very furiously as well. Fast and furious towards the upside and downside. Pretty volatile. Could there be more upside? Yes. If you look at the skinny pink line, right, we're kind of far away from it. We still have some buffer from where we are right now to where it is. Another 46% potentially. So there is this cushioning that we could still drop, right? But of course, as time goes by, it gets smaller and smaller. So yeah, if anything, I would assume that this is a ABC, right? And then we'll see some sort of a reversal eventually for Shiba Inu. Doesn't look like a bearish reversal to me. If anything, I would still expect a little bit more upside for Shiba Inu. Tron against BTC. What's up, Justin? Tron against BTC is kind of mucking around, right? We are under the skinny pink line. We're kind of going sideways. Not really that obvious in its moves. Feels like a very big accumulation happening in Tron, right? Feels like, yeah, we've been accumulating for some time. So, you know, could we sweep the lows over here? Yeah. Could we hit to the noisy area over here? Yes, of course. Could we also reverse? Yeah. So there's just nothing much for us to work with for Tron against BTC. Tron against USD is a different matter. Tron against USD could have already completed a wave B. We could be coming down for a wave C. Maybe preparing for it, right? I don't see the bearish reversal yet, but if you look at Tron against USD, right, so like I was saying, A, B, we could be coming down for a C though. So that's the danger, right? But this is not a bearish reversal chart pattern, right? I just don't see it yet. So, you know, I'd preach caution. We're still above the skinny pink line. Sure, we still expect potentially more upside, but So yeah, we're being very, very careful about Tron. Tron is a little bit scary at this point of time, right? Bitcoin Cash still looks pretty okay, but not really. You know, we are above the skinny pink line, but there were many times in the past where Bitcoin Cash went above the skinny pink line, but it came back down. Above it, came back down. Above it, down. Up. Could we be down again? Yeah, there's still weakness against BTC. So, you know, I'd still preach caution. Against USD, I'm assuming that we're already in a wave 3. Holdings a wave 1. Down 2. Consolidate, pump, up 3. Right, I'm assuming we're getting a wave 4 as we go up for a wave 5. How high do I think wave 5 could be? 1,000. More likely than not 1,000. So potentially another 100% more to go. Do I see a bullish reversal yet? Nope. Could we still head lower? Yep. How much lower? Beats me. Close to 400, I would say. It's very important that we don't take out the skinny pink line. Could we still head lower? Yeah. How much lower again? We're not too sure. We need, you know, things to just play out first, right? Maybe we might get something like a bearish continuation as we head lower, right? And this whole thing could be an ABC kind of a chart pattern. And then we recover, right? But for now, it still looks bearish to me, and I think there's more downside to come for Bitcoin Cash. Polkadot dot against BTC. What's up, Kevin? So for Polkadot, okay, it's very disappointing. Reason being, Polkadot continues to make new all-time lows. If you switched all your Polkadot into Bitcoin way at the top here in May 2021, you would have done so much better compared to being in Polkadot. It's just a downer. Down, down, down. Descending triangle, down. You see mountain ranges, down. Right, something like a rising channel, down. Right, yeah, it's just down. Any signs of a bullish reversal yet? No. It's not really looking that good, boys and girls. It's just not really looking that good. Yeah, we've already touched the skinny pink line. This is something that we don't want to happen. Once you're above the skinny pink line, you have to stay above it, right? For us to consider this to be a super bullish trend. But once you touch it, it's like, don't really like this. So we have to go back to the drawing board. I'm just going to remove everything. So yeah, we're going to have to wait for more information. You know, DOT might get something like an ascending eventually. But for now, Polkadot doesn't really look that good. Chainlink also doesn't really look that good. Previously, we thought that Chainlink would have completed a, was it an inverse head and shoulders? Or an ascending? Yeah, inverse head and shoulders. Look at this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We expected a breakout, but nope. We got slapped back down. So it's like, hey, yo, bro, what's happening? What's happening? I thought we were done. Nope, we're not done. We're heading lower. Yes, we're heading lower. So it doesn't really look that good to me. Chainlink. Okay, let's say for example, if we pull out the Fibonacci retracement from the lows all the way up, do you think we could drop to the 618 here? 708? I don't know, bro. Is there any bearish chart pattern that points to even more downside? We don't have it. So yeah, as long as we're still not really truly out of the skinny pink line, we'll be very cautious, right? Even when we are above it, we could still get slapped back down. This just shows weakness for Chainlink compared to BTC. Link against USD has already touched the skinny pink line, something that we do not want to see. So Chainlink has to stay above the skinny pink line. We cannot be touching the skinny pink. If it goes any lower under the skinny pink line, that's not good. That's not good, boys and girls. Could we recover from here? Of course. But this is not a good sign. Although in history, we've done a lot of touches and continue higher. You know, we went under it, we went higher. We touched it, we went higher. But yeah, I preach caution. The BTC pair is pretty weak. So I don't really like what I'm seeing. MATIC is another disappointing coin. If you look at MATIC against BTC, it's collapsing against BTC. We were saying that once you cross the skinny pink line, bearish trend is on. Again, the next noisy area is over here. So how low do I think we could go? Sub 600, 570 something maybe. We're only at 1,001 right now. Could we still head lower? Sure. Any signs of a reversal? No. Still under the skinny pink line, right? Yes. So the trend is still bearish. So we remain with a bearish bias for MATIC against BTC. MATIC against USD, we are, yeah, again, under the skinny pink line. So, you know, it's still pretty weak. of course, there's the danger, right? This whole thing could be a descending triangle. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. Can you see this? This is scary, yo. This is scary. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. Right. So, oh my god, this was quite a vicious fall though. 30%. It's not good, boys and girls. It's not good. So if anything, we'll still have to go sideways for a little bit before heading back higher. Right. This whole thing could, of course, still turn into a squeeze. Right. Lower highs. Right. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Higher low, higher low, higher low, hopefully. And then we see a breakout towards the upside. So again, at this point of time, still not entirely sure. So it's, yeah, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time. Under the skinny pink line means that the trend has already switched bearish. We were hoping for things to stay above, but it's coming down. It's coming down, boys and girls. Litecoin against BTC. Yeah, Litecoin continues to disappoint and continue to head lower, right? Again, Litecoin, just like Polkadot, if at the very, very beginning, if you had switched all of your Litecoin into BTC, you would have done so much better. Let's say 2018, right? Now it's already 2024. For 6 years, it's been nothing but down against BTC. So if anything, yeah, Litecoin is not really doing good. Against USD, it's also pretty weak. We still have a target over here at $32. We were saying once you take out these highs, we will consider Litecoin to be potentially heading higher, right? We went above the skinny pink line for a little bit, but now we're coming back down. So we're getting slapped back down. So it feels to me like we are resuming the move towards the downside for Litecoin. Feels like that to me. Feels like that. I think we're going lower. $32. We've had this target since October 17th, 2023. So yeah, once we touch the support, we form mountain ranges. That's it. I think we're breaking lower towards $32. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Litecoin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!